You ready for breakfast? Yeah? What you doing? What do you want? Do you want more food? Here you go. Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Good job. First, put 2 cups of milk into a saucepan. Okay, so then we put a tablespoon of butter in with the milk. And then we're going to warm up the milk until the butter is melted. Okay, it's all melted now, and then we're going to set it off the stove and let it cool down until you can stick your finger in it. So we have water at that temperature. 1/4 cup in the bowl. And then we're going to put 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. In that. Okay. And then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar in that. And we just happen to have brown sugar on hand right now, but I use white sugar too. Regular white sugar too. Okay. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that up. And then you let it sit for like 5 minutes. Okay. Now we pour the milk butter mixture into the bowl with the yeast. Put in the egg. Eggs naturally have less thin in the yolks, so that is why I put an egg in there. And about 2 tablespoons of honey. The honey just helps to keep the bread nice and moist. 3 cups of flour. I just use nice all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup of potato flakes. The potato flakes help strengthen the structure of the bread. A teaspoon of ginger powder. This enhances the dough and makes it lighter and fluffier. And a teaspoon of cornstarch. This also helps strengthen the yeast bubbles. A teaspoon of salt. Okay.